Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about GPIO port registers of LPC 176. Basically, we will concentrate on two port GPIO registers, that is direction and mask. So outcomes are student will be able to calculate the GPIO direction control register value to make input or output, and second is student will be able to explain mask register, which is used to control the direction of the pins. Let's have a look at the overview of GPIO port registers. The GPIO port are controlled by 5 memory map registers. First one is fast input output direction. So it is direction control register. Fast input output mask register. Fast input output pin value register. Then FIO set output set register and FIO clear. These are the 5 registers of GPIO ports, and that are located on AHB bus. AHB stands for Advanced High Performance Bus for fast read and write timings. They can all be accessed in byte, half word and word sizes. A mask register allows access to a group of bits in a single GPIO port independently from other bits in the same port. Let's have a look at the direction control register. This word accessible register is used to control the directions of the pins, whether it should be input or output. There are 5 direction control registers, each of size 32 bit. Why 5 direction control register? Because there are 5 ports. FIO0 DIR is for port 0, FIO1 DIR is for port 1. So likewise, all the 5 register access, read write access, and its reset value is what? 00000000, and these are the addresses of these registers. Now the important point of this is you have to remember of port 0, that is 29th and 30th pin are shared with the USB D plus and USB D minus. So this pin should be in same direction, whether that should be input or output. So depends on host or controller, host or device. Let's have a look at the GPIO port direction register. The syntax is FIOX. Direction control the directions of the pin of respective export. So FIOX direction. X means port number you have to mention. Let's have a look at the example. FIO0 DIR register is used to control the direction of port 0 pins. Bit 0 will control the P0.0, and likewise bit 31 is control P0.31. Now the important point is how to configure direction of pins as a input or output. Now if 0 is written in the direction, its direction is input if 0 is written, and if 1 is written, then direction is output. Now just tell me, by default the direction of the pins, that is FIO0 DIR, should be input or output. In previous slide I have told you the reset value was 0. So if 0 is reset value, so by default that should be input or output. That should be by default input. So all GPIO pins are default to input after reset. Now let's have a look at the GPIO port direction as a input. The FIO0 DIR register is of 32 bit, 32 bit. It starts from 0 to 31. Let's have a look at the example. We want to read sensor value on 5th pin, so we have to read it. So by default you have to make that 5th pin should be as a input. So P0.5 should be made input. So this pin should be input. So this is the predefined direction. So by default 21, not by default, some already it is predefined. So 21 is what? 1 is written, so that should be output. Third 22, 0 is written, so that should be input. So these are the predefined directions of FIO0 direction control register. 0 should be written to P0.5 or reset. Why 0? Because I have to make fifth pin as a input. So we have to write there 0. So this should be mask value. So mask value is what? FFFF and DFF. Oh, no, sorry, FFFFF and DF. So operation is AND. Remember this operation. So after ANDing, this is predefined direction. After ANDing with this one, so what will happen? 1 and 0. So 0 should be there. So by default, then its value will be treated as a 0. The port pin 0.5 is reset and this pin can be used as a input now after masking this. So how? So final value will be FIO0 DIR 0x7839D783. Previously it was this one. So for making fifth pin as a input, you have to write FIO0 DIR and operation with this mask value we have calculated it. Now in simple way, we'll set direction as a input. We want to read sensor value on fifth pin of port, again same. Now what you will do? This is your register FIO0 DIR. 0 should be written to P0.5. So this is predefined direction. 0 should be written to here. Now you can use left shift operator by 5. So move 0 at fifth position. How? You have to move left shift by 0 at, sorry, you move 0 by 5. You have to use left shift operator. So now then the port pin 0.5 is reset and this pin can be used as a input. So for making fifth pin as a input, you have to write 0 left shift by 5. So how? FIO0 DIR equals to 0 left shift by 5. So this is in simple way. You can use this way also and previous way also. Now let's have a look at the direction as a output. Again 32-bit register FIO0 DIR. We want to on LED on 4th pin of port 0. So P0.4 should be made output. So this should be output. So what you have to write here? You have to write here 1. It is 0. Now it is input. You have to write here 1. So this is the predefined direction of this register. 1 should be written to P0.4 or set P0.4. So what we will write here? We will write here, and now this is the mask value. Mask value is what? 000000010. Now after masking this one, what will happen? The port pin 0.4 is reset and then this pin can be used as a output. So we have to use OR operation, because if you will use AND operation, then what will happen? 1 and 0. So this all will be as a input. So you have to use OR operation. Its final value will be this one. Previous predefined direction was this one. So after ORing operation, its final value will be this one. Now for making fourth pin as a output, you have to write FIO0 DIR OR operation equals to 0x00000010. So two things you have to remember. First one, if you want to set as a output, then mask value should be OR with the predefined direction. And if you want to use as an input, then mask value should be AND with the predefined direction. Now in simple way, we'll find out. Again, we want to on LED on 24th pin of port 0. That is P0.24 should be made output. So this is our direct register. 1 should be returned to P0.24 or set P0.24. So these are the predefined direction. you have to write here 1. So how you can use left shift operator by 24, move 1 at 24th position. So how? So you will move 1 at 24th position. The port pin 0.24 is set, and then this pin can be used as a output. For making 24th pin as a output, you have to write 1 left shift by 24, like FIO0 DIR equals to 1 left shift 24. So this is how you can use left shift operator to select as a output. Now let's have a look at the simple example. Make 15 pin, this is predefined direction. Make 15 pins of a port 0 as input. So you have to write logic level 0 to the 15 pin. Mask value will be again 15. How? This is what? This is the 15 pin. So mask value will be FFFF7 FFF. So you have to write AND operation like FIO0 DIR and with 0xFFFF7 FFF. So in simple way, you can use FIO0 DIR 0 left shift by 15. Now again let's have a look at the example of GPIO port direction as a output. Again, this is the predefined direction. Make second pin of port 0 as a output. So how is it possible? Second pin. So mask value should be 0 0 0. How? Like this is the second pin. So you have to write here 4 0 0 0 0 0 0. So or operation with the FIO0 DIR. So FIO0 DIR or with 0x again this one. This is the mask value we have to calculate. Or in simple way, you can move 1 by left shift by 2. So FIO0 DIR equals to 1 left shift by 2. So now move on to the second register, that is mask register. So FIOX mask. This is the word accessible register is used to control the direction of the pins. Size is 32-bit again. The a 0 in this register bit enables an access to a corresponding physical via a read or write access. The mask value 0 control pin is affected. Okay, 0 is affected by writing the ports on FIO set, clear and pin register. Mask value 1 control pin is not affected by writing the port on FIO set, FIO clear and FIO pin register. So up till now we have discussed control register, direction control register, that is FIOX direction. In this we have seen two ways. One is masking way and another one is left shift. And second register we have discussed is mask register. So let's move on to the next video.